Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn that how we can find and solve a pair of simultaneous equation and find the value of x and y. So our first step is always to name the equation. Now we have two equations here. The first one is 3x plus 4y equal to 24. Just name this equation as equation 1, and the second equation is 4x plus 3y equal to 22. Name this equation as equation 2. Okay, now we can see that in both the equation the variables have different coefficient. In equation number 1 we have x coefficient is 3. Equation number 2, x coefficient is 4. Equation number 1, we have a coefficient for y is 4. Equation number 2, the coefficient for y is 3. It means that we have different coefficient in both the cases. In this case, what we'll do that we will do some multiplication. Let's do step number 1. Step number 1. In step number 1, what we will do that we will multiply equation 1. We can write here multiply equation 1 by 4, and you can write here multiply equation 2 by 3. You can see that if you'll multiply equation 1 by 4, this will become 4 times 3 is 12x, and this equation will multiply by 3. 3 times 4 is 12x. So we'll have similar coefficient, we'll have same coefficient, so we are able to eliminate one of the coefficient and find the value of other variable. So let's do this question now. So let's write equation number 1, 4, and then bracket 3x plus 4y equal to 24, and 3 into 4x plus 3y equal to 22. Now we can write the answers over here. I will change the color so we can easily identify the new equations now. So 4 times 3 and then 4 times 4. So 4 times 3 is 12x. 4 times 4 is plus 16y equal to. Now we multiply this by 4, so we'll multiply the right hand side as well by 4. If we multiply by 3, we'll multiply the right hand side also by 3. So in equation, the rules of math say that whatever the operation we will do on the left hand side of the equation, we will do the same operation on the right hand side. So let's move on now. So 24 times 4, let's multiply ones with 1. 4 times 4 is 16. 6 and 1 carry over here. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So 96 is on the right hand side. Now move to the equation number 2. 3 times 4 and then 3 times 3. So when you open the bracket, so 3 times 4 equal to 12x plus 3 times 3 is 9y, and now you can see that 22 times 3. So let's multiply with the ones first. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then with the tens, 3 times 2 is 6 again. Now step number 2. In step number 2, we will do subtraction. Okay, we can just simply subtract them, right? Minus sign, minus sign, minus sign. Now in subtraction, what we'll get? 12x minus 12x will be cancelled. 16 minus 9 will be 7y, and equal to 6 minus 6 is 0, and 9 minus 6 is 3. So you can see that we have 30 left, and to find the value of y, we need to divide by 7. So this 7 will be cancelled, and our answer for y equal to 30 by 7. All right, so we can circle the answer. Let's go back and check our answer. The first equation, we multiply by 4. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16y, and 4 times 24. 4 times 4 is 16, 6, 1 carry over here. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 96. This, the next equation, we multiply with the 3. So 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times 3 is 9y. And right hand side, we also multiply by 3. So 22 times 3 is 66. So y equal to 30 by 7 is our answer for variable y. Let's move to the next slide. We can put y equal to 30 by 7 in, we can put in equation 1 or equation 2. So let's see that where we can place y. So let's take equation number 1, 3x plus 4y equal 24. And write here 3x plus 4y equal 24. So we can replace y by 30 by 7 equal 24. So the next step, we can multiply 4 with 30, which will become 120 by 7 equal 24. So in the next step, we can shift 120 by 7 to the other side to 24 minus 120 by 7. This will move to the other side, will become minus, and now we can take an LCM. 7 will remains at the denominator. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 to carry over here. 7 times 2 14 plus 2 16. So 168 will be in the numerator minus 120. So on right hand side we'll get 48 over 7. All right, so we can solve here the last part of the question, and 3x equal to 48 over 7. X will be equal to, x will be equal to 48 over 21. We can simplify with the table of 3. So x will be equal to 16 over 7. So we got an answer. 16 over 7 is our x, and y equal to 30 over 7. So that's all for today. If you have any questions or concerns, you can send me an email, and my email link is mentioned in the channel description, or you can send through a comment. That's all. Thank you, guys.